Hello everyone, today our topic is how to add Graphy learners in Google Sheets. So today our objective is that whenever a new learner is created in our Graphy application, we want to use these details to add in our Google Sheets. For that, we are going to create an integration between Graphy and Google Sheets. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, we are going to use trigger and action. In trigger application, we will be using Graphy. In action application, we will be using Google Sheets. So how I'm going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. Hello everyone, I hope all you can see my computer screen. And today we have Graphy and this Google Sheet. So as we all know, Graphy is a platform that allows creators to create and launch white label websites and mobile apps for hosting, marketing and selling their courses along with automated payment gateways. It also offers all the needed marketing and engagement tools to sell your courses and engage customers. So today our objective is that whenever a new learner is added in Graphy, we want to use these details and we want to add these details in our Google Sheets. For that, we are going to create an integration between Graphy and Google Sheets. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. For that, I'm going to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in. And this will take us to this page. Here we have all these tools that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflow that we will create here. And this is the folder section and we can create new folder from here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now we are going to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on this Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow and I will name it as my objective, which is add Graphy learners in Google Sheets. Now we'll select the folder where I want to save my workflow, which is home. Now I'm going to click on create. So this will take me to this most important window of my workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which my workflow works on. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger will be the first step that will get executed in my workflow and action will just follow that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my trigger and for trigger application, I'll search for Graphy. I will select this. Now I have to give a trigger event. For that, I will open this and my trigger event will be new learner created. So this is going to trigger when a new learner is created. Now I have to connect my Graphy account with Pabbly Connect. For that, I'm going to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge. So for connecting my Graphy, I have to follow all this instruction. So I will first copy this link. Now I will go back to Graphy and I will go to integration. I will open this third party. I will scroll down and I will find Pabbly Connect. Here I will click on new learner created and I will paste that webhook URL here. And I will scroll down and I will click on save. Now I will go back to Pabbly Connect and here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. To get the response, let's go back to Graphy. I will go to users. I will click on learners. And here I will add a new learner. For that I will click here and I will give my name. So my learner name will be dummy learner. Email address will be dummylearner124@pabblytunes.com and I will give a random mobile number. Now I will set up a password and I will click on add and here we can see we have this new learner. The name is dummy learner. Email is dummylearner124@pabblytunes.com. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. Here in the response we can see we have the same details, name as dummy learner. Mobile number is this and the email is dummylearner124@pabblytunes.com. Now what we need is, we want to add these details in our Google Sheets. For that, I will set up my action application. I will open this and I will search for my action application, which will be Google Sheets. Now I will give an action event, which will be add new row. I will connect my Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. I'll click on add new connection and I will sign in with Google. I will click on continue to give access to my account. So my connection between Google Sheets and my Pabbly Connect is successful. Now let's go back to my Google Sheet. And this is my Google Sheet, and this is the name of my Google Sheet, which is Graphy Learners. And we are using sheet 1. And we have 3 columns here: name, email and mobile number. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect and I will map my spreadsheet here, which is Graphy Learners. So first I will map the name. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which we can retrieve the data from the previous tab. So our data is continuously changing. So this will replace the data with the new data in the real time. For mapping, I'm going to click here. I will open this response. I will map the name. Similarly, I will map the email and the mobile number. And I'm going to click on save and send test request button. So this has given us this response. Now let's go back to Google Sheets. And here we can see we have added this new row in our Google Sheets automatically. And the name is dummy learner. Email is dummylearner124@pabblytunes.com. And this is the random phone number. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. So our workflow is working successfully here. Now let's check it again. For that, I will go back to Graphy. I will add one more learner. I will give the details here. So the name is test learner. Email is testlearner145@pabblytunes.com. I will give a random phone number. Now I will set up a password. I will click on add. Now we have this new learner, test learner, and email is testlearner145@pabblytunes.com. Now let's go back to Google Sheets. And here we can see we have added this row automatically in our Google Sheets. And the name is test learner. Email is testlearner145@pabblytunes.com. And we have this mobile number. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And let's summarize what we did here. First, we have set up our trigger, and our trigger application was Graphy, and our trigger event here was new learner created. Then we have set up our action, and our action application was Google Sheets, and our action event was add new row. So this is how I have successfully created my workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I will also put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. Thank you. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.